Hello and welcome. This is Faisal Abdi Media. Dahabshiil Group, a leading African money transfer conglomerate based in Somaliland, is charting new territory in Ethiopia through a strategic partnership with M-PESA Safaricom, Ethiopia. This collaboration, which leverages the rapidly growing mobile money market, aims to streamline remittance for the Ethiopian diaspora, enhancing financial inclusion and fostering economic development in the region. The partnership between Dahabshiil and M-PESA Safaricom, Ethiopia was formally sealed in Addis Ababa, marking a significant step forward in the facilitation of money transfers for the Ethiopian diaspora. The new service enables Ethiopians abroad to send money directly to M-PESA mobile wallets, simplifying the remittance process and offering greater security and speed. In a statement released after the signing, Mr. Musa Mohammed, Dahabshiil's representative in Ethiopia, emphasized the partnership's importance. "We are delighted to partner with Safaricom's M-PESA Ethiopia, giving our diaspora customers another reliable channel to send money, enabling them to support their loved ones back home more easily." He added that this move aligns with Dahabshiil's mission to provide accessible and dependable financial services across Africa, tapping into M-PESA's expanding customer base in Ethiopia. Mr. Anthony Kanji, Safaricom's acting Chief Digital Financial Service Officer, echoed these sentiments, expressing enthusiasm for the partnership. "We share a vision of financial inclusion and economic development with Dahabshiil. This service will empower individuals and families by providing a secure and convenient way to send and receive money," Kanji stated. "This partnership is not just a commercial venture. It represents a broader commitment to driving financial inclusion and fostering economic growth in Ethiopia." Both companies have underscored their dedication to innovation and exceptional customer service, viewing these elements as crucial to their mission of expanding financial access across the region. Dahabshiil has long been a major player in African remittances, operating in over 100 countries worldwide. The company provides a crucial platform for the African diaspora, particularly in sending money back home to support families and communities. M-PESA, known for its revolutionary mobile financial services, offers a quick and easy solution for individuals to manage their finances through their phones. According to the World Bank, remittance flows to Sub-Saharan Africa reached $54 billion in 2023, up from the previous year. This surge was driven by robust remittance growth in countries like Mozambique, Rwanda, Kenya, and Ethiopia. In Ethiopia alone, remittances contribute over $0.5 billion annually, playing a vital role in poverty reduction and boosting the country's GDP. The timing of this partnership is particularly opportune as Ethiopia is in the midst of significant financial reforms. The Ethiopian government has been taking steps to liberalize its financial sector, attracting foreign investments and improving economic opportunities for its citizens. One of the most notable developments is the upcoming launch of Ethiopia's first stock exchange since the 1970s. This initiative is expected to attract diaspora investment and provide new avenues for economic growth. In addition to the stock exchange, Ethiopia's central bank has recently announced the liberalization of the country's foreign exchange regime. This includes a commitment to simplify rules governing foreign currency accounts held by the diaspora, making it easier for them to invest in their home country. The central bank's decision to allow the Ethiopian birr's value to be determined by market forces is also seen as a positive step towards stabilizing the economy. Abdi Dwale, CEO of Dahabshiil Group, welcomed these reforms, noting their potential to boost the private sector and encourage entrepreneurship. The Ethiopian government's decision to let the birr's value be market determined is a positive development for the diaspora who want to remit money to Ethiopia and for its importers and exporters, Dwale stated. We believe it will stimulate the private sector and drive economic growth. Dwale also highlighted the ongoing efforts of Dahabshiil to explore new ventures in Ethiopia, in line with the company's broader goal of driving development and generating employment. The partnership with M-PESA Safaricom Ethiopia is seen as a natural extension of Dahabshiil's existing operations in Kenya, where the company has successfully collaborated with Safaricom to enhance financial services. Remittances play a critical role in supporting the economies of many African nations. They are not just a means of survival for many families, they also contribute significantly to the development of infrastructure, education, and healthcare. According to the World Bank, remittances help support the current accounts of African countries, especially those facing challenges such as food insecurity, drought, and debt servicing difficulties. However, despite the overall increase in remittance flows, the World Bank has reported a slight decline of 0.3% in 2023, attributing this to slower economic growth in the United States and a weaker pound in flows from Europe. Looking ahead, the bank predicts modest growth of 1.5% per year in 2024 and 2025. Dahabshiil, under Dwale's leadership, has been at the forefront of efforts to ensure that remittances continue to play a vital role in Africa's economic development. The company's extensive network, which spans 126 countries, including 40 in Africa, provides essential financial services to businesses, NGOs, and international organizations. Dahabshiil's recent financial services additions, such as the Dahab Plus app, have further enhanced its ability to serve the needs of the African diaspora, offering features like online account, applications, and MasterCard services. Dahabshiil's journey began in 1970 when it was founded by Mr. Mohammed S. Dwale in the Somaliland city of Burao. Initially, the company focused on importing goods from the Gulf to East Africa. However, it soon expanded into the remittance business, helping migrants send money back home. Over the decades, Dahabshiil has grown into a global payments leader, providing accessible and efficient financial solutions for Africans around the world. CEO Abdi Dwale, who took over the company from his father, has continued to expand Dahabshiil's operations, with a particular focus on driving financial inclusion and economic development in Africa. Under his leadership, the company has also increased its philanthropic efforts, supporting various community projects across the continent. Dwale's commitment to remittances is deeply personal, shaped by his own experiences of conflict and displacement. The importance of remittances is personal to me, as I have seen firsthand how they serve as a lifeline in times of desperate need, he says. Remittances are a driver of economic development that help cover living costs, provide seed funding for investment, and fund education. They also help reduce migration and reliance on foreign aid by enabling people to start businesses and generate employment at home rather than pursuing the risky strategy of migration. Overall, Dahabshiil's expansion into Ethiopia, supported by its partnership with M-PESA Safaricom Ethiopia, marks a significant step forward in the company's mission to enhance financial inclusion and drive economic development across Africa. By simplifying remittance services and leveraging the growing financial liberalization in Ethiopia, Dahabshiil is poised to play a key role in the country's economic transformation. As Ethiopia continues to open its doors to foreign investment and embrace financial reforms, partnerships like the one between Dahabshiil and M-PESA Safaricom Ethiopia will be crucial in ensuring that the benefits of these changes reach all segments of society. Through innovation, collaboration, and a deep commitment to customer service, Dahabshiil is not only expanding its operations, but also contributing to the broader goal of economic empowerment in Africa. Also check out our other video. We talk about how the privatization of Ethiopian companies can benefit Somaliland's companies to expand into the Ethiopian market. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Join us again tomorrow.